So I'm looking at the Tesla right now, and I'm also looking at the SPY on my other screen. And what I notice is Tesla is trying to move back up now, and is around the 10 o'clock. And was looking at the SPY has a continuously moving up, so there might be a chance for the SPY to come in a little bit of pullback. And if I just show quickly to you the SPY, so you can look at it SPY in the 5 minutes here, and you can clearly see that the SPY is just continuously moving back up. So now I'm going back to the Tesla for the 1 minute, and I was looking to see that where I can find a right spot. So see here, it put at the topping tail, tried to move back up, made the I think now at this point I'm looking at it to see that there's previous support here around the 208.54, whether it can break or not. And once it's gonna break, I'm gonna go short here. So see, it's trying to bounce. I want to see does it bounce, and it's failed the bounce. So it failing, and this is the point where I'm gonna go short. Okay, so I'm short now, and a nice entry. You just look at it, it's clearly going fabulously well now. Let's see what does it hold that? I'm gonna add a little bit if it's just gonna break to a 12. We are in the very nice position. My entry is really good, so it's not able to go now. Okay, go. The breakdown. I'm at that position now. So nice. Let's see what it does next. Let's see. Now my next target is on the VWAP. You don't see the VWAP here. Let me just quickly add a VWAP here. So VWAP is a red line here on the 207. So this is my target. Okay, so it's bounced back, the first bounce back from the low. And you look at it, the previous support what we had around 2056 is still doesn't break down on that, so that's really nice. So it's mean that we had a good trade. It's not bouncing, right? It's not bouncing from that position, so that's nice. Okay, I'm ready to take the partial if I can get it. So look at it. It tried, but there's no pressure at this point. And stop loss would be 209.20 in case of a spike up. So we're gonna go stop out here. So now if you look at it, it came down another, leaving the topping tail, and it's making now the 3 bar play here as well. If it's going to continue coming down, I'm not sure at this point it's going to come down. If not, then we would have stop out. At this point, this looks really nice. And if you look at the SPY at the same time, you see here SPY is also made the top tail and now is reversing. So we are on the good shape at this point. It's really nice candle here. So now we'll see that can we get close to 207, 207.50. Uh, So try to break 208 in bounce. Let's see. We want this to go further down. After this candle, I will just move my stop loss over to 0860 if it bounce back, but no, it's doing good right now. So this is 207.80. I want this to break 207.50. So we're gonna get the 207.50 break, and I'm gonna take the partial close to that. Okay, the first partial here. Took one more partial. No, I have a 50 shares left. I will take it close to that position, close to the partial. All right, I got the one more partial. So this is the way I have traded the Tesla short on the one side, and then I've added, if you can see, my other positions. But at this point, I just wanted to stop it here.